Callie, what did you learn about the Palawan peacock pheasant?
Wait.
Want to sit?
Not yet.
Okay.
Well, peacocks are called hens. And when a peacock wants to impress a peahen, it first impresses it with its sound. And then it impresses it with its tail fan. It's like pretty. And I also found peacocks in videos. Gross. And and they eat seeds, berries, just like the Philippine parakeet.
Mm-hmm.
And they also have beaks like birds. They're birds, but they can't fly.
Oh. How do you know if which one is the male and which is the female?
Well, the male is brown here.
Female yan. Female or peahen.
Peahen.
Mm-mm.
And this is the peacock with bright colors.
Okay. Why? Okay. Which is the girl or the female?
Well, this one is the girl, and this one is the boy.
So which is more colorful?
The boy.
Why is the peahen less colorful?
Because it's not much less. Hens are different than peacocks.
Why do you think God made them to have duller colors?
Well, because he just made them like that. He just wanted to.
What happens to animals which are colorful?
They could impress.
Yes, and also, what about when there are predators? What do
They
animals do so that they will not be eaten by their predators?
defend or run.
Or they,
They will fight.
or what about the mommy with the eggs if she can fight?
They have to
One way
protect.
is to blend.
And that's why they're colorful and they have different colors so that they blend in with different things. Like the brown could blend into trees and the blue could blend into a plant.
So usually, the colorful ones can defend themselves, and the ones who can blend in or camouflage with their surroundings, they can hide.
Yeah, and they're colorful. They need to survive.
Anything else you want to say about the peacocks and peahen?
The peahen, they protect their own child.
Thank you, Kali.
Bye.